I'm gonna do laundry today. I've never done it, so I want to try it. I don't think anybody's ever said that in their life. My mom's always done it for me since forever, so this is just another thing for me to conquer. I don't think this is gonna be very hard though, I mean, come on. But I always think of doing laundry as such an American thing and chore. Like, in my head, I always picture the woman with a washing board and 1950s housewives. Is that weird? So, for me to really get in the spirit, I feel like I need to first go somewhere that just screams America.
What about the selfie stick?
Yeah, like, I was going in, and they're like, oh, is that a selfie stick? And I'm like, yeah. They're like, well, you can't bring that in, so you either take it to the car, or we take it and you can't get it back.
Is that a selfie stick?
Yeah.
So we don't allow selfie sticks inside?
And so I went back and I said, this doesn't extend, like, it's full length. And I'm like, do I still gotta take it back? And I'm like, oh, it's fine. But I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, I guess I'm gonna have some wine today, a little sample. My grandma's forcing me against my will.
I need IDs.
It's real, but it's all chewed up. My dog actually did chew it up.
Oh, I heard.
My dog
I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
I used to tell my teacher that.
That's for real.
I've heard that too a million times
Let
too.
me go like that. That part of your face is okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
you. Do you have something that's not expired?
That's expired too?
Well, that's good enough.
5/11/23.
You didn't even
It
know
expired.
I
that.
didn't even know that.
Unfortunately.
Well, I gotta get a new one anyway.
Yeah.
But that's the only one I have. Is that okay? No?
It's got to be valid.
Did that really just happen? Well, that's annoying. Really, can you just let me slide? Come on. I mean, I don't really care because I don't drink anyway. So. I remember you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were at the aquarium. I'm Josh. How are you? I'm Ricky. Nice to meet you.
Ricky, nice
Yes.
to meet you. I'm Angelina.
Yeah, because we came into the jelly area.
Yeah.
I volunteer dive there now. On
Oh, okay.
Wednesdays.
That's cool.
But I worked there for like 20 years. That's how we know each other.
Smell it? Oh, yeah. That one's stronger, I feel like.
That's another thing you look at is the color. And you look at how does it smell.
I don't know, to be honest, I don't really care. I don't know anything about wine. Like, is there anything you could tell me that's interesting about wine? Anything? I don't know, nothing.
I like the way that the vines have to like suffer a little bit in order to make a good grape.
Does suffer?
Yeah, they have to suffer.
Okay.
Kind of like the plumerias. My plumerias have to suffer too. I torture them and they're flowering.
Jeez.
You can go to the hippie places like Dark Star, or you can go to the finer places, and it's like well-rounded.
Yeah. Which
Very
winery
cool.
do you work at?
Antelope
I have
Valley.
no idea what she's talking about.
Some have hardly any nose and some have big nose.
So a nose means that it has a smell. That's what we say in the wine biz. Look at the pig. Is this what you imagine, Grandma, when you eat your pork chop? Alright, piggy. Grandma thinks you're so delicious. You want to race?
No, that's okay.
She knew I'd smoke her. Okay, now I'm back home. Now it's time to wash some clothes. Like, that's so entertaining. Like, let's go. I wanted this to be the real deal. So now I gotta go find a basket to bring back to my room so that I can put the dirty clothes in it and then go back to wash them. I'm so tired already from walking. I had to sit down in my old scooter. It doesn't work anymore. My legs are dead. There's one basket that I can get. Wow, it is so hot in here. There's one basket that I can get right there. Hopefully I could reach it. Let me see if I could get that one. I am so tired. Okay. I got it. I'm already so tired. Okay. One. Two. Need to take a break. This sucks. Let's go. How am I gonna do this? There you go. It was a workout. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so now I have to decide which, I'm so out of breath. This whole just walking back and forth. I have to decide which washing machine I'm gonna use, either like the regular washing machine or like the little bottom part. Here's the regular washing machine. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one because for this one I have to put in like a full load, and I only was able to carry 4 clothes because I wasn't strong enough to carry like a full basket worth of clothes. So I can't, like, holding the 4 clothes, I was almost dead. So I don't know if I'm gonna, whoa, echo. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this one because I don't want to waste like a wash cycle, you know, so. I gotta find somewhere to sit though because I can't bend down and put the clothes in that thing. There's no way I could bend down and do that. If I only had my scooter, when it works, in here. I told my dad to put it in the garage yesterday because it was in his car last night, and he's like, oh, I'll put it in the garage, but he didn't. I could just use my scooter and sit on it over there. So I think I'm gonna have to use a chair. Grandma! Here's the bottom one. This one's harder. Why is it so much harder? Why don't I remember how this works? My mom showed me how before she left, but I completely forgot. How does this work? Grandma! How do you open this thing?
Ah, that's it. Push.
Oh, okay. So that's how it looks. I think I'm gonna use this one because I could just put the 4 items in there, and like that's what it's for. It's like small, you know? Okay, now let's do it. Let's get to washing. They better. I don't get paid enough for this. You know what? No, like, I want to get the full, like, experience of doing this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do the small one. I want to do, like, I want to put the wash in the big washing machine that everybody does. Like, that you see in all the TV shows and you see in all the... Maybe to not waste a wash cycle, I'll just tell my grandma to get some extra dirty clothes and put them in there. And then I'll put in my clothes with it so that we'll do a full rinse or full wash cycle. I want to get the full experience. That sounds so dumb. Grandma! 1, 2. Ooh, these are, ugh. They're like squishy. Ugh. No. Just throw this in there, I guess. That's what my mom said. Okay. Yeah. Hold to start. Yeah! Wait, what? Why isn't it going? Oh, there it goes. Woo! And now we wait. Whoa. Ugh, these are all like wet and gross. No. Stop turning off. No! The light turns off because I'm too short. Oh. Kobe. I'm getting tired. But I'm alright. Oh, but I'm alright. Man, I would hate to be a maid or a cleaning lady. This is torture. This is hell. I'm doing a lot of crap. Ow! Yeah. I'm laying in bed now, waiting for the dryer to be done. I think this is like the most tired I've ever been doing doing one of these videos. Okay. I'm just gonna get my clothes. Underwear, this shirt, this one. Okay. Now I gotta fold these stupid things. I don't really know how to fold, to be honest. They sound pretty good, actually. And the chonis. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Finally. Oh, I did laundry. Like a biatch. I mean, like a housewife. I started this at 3 o'clock, and now it's 10:30. This took all day because I had to go walking and then sitting down to take breaks and then doing everything myself. This took like 8 hours, washing stupid 4 things. But I did it. How much was it?
$9.
$9? Let me try some. Good. I don't know if it's $9 good, but it's pretty good.